Hi, this is Thesia of Ellis Family Farms, and I can imagine, as you can guess by now, my first birds of the year have arrived. And this is an interesting mix of birds. I wonder if it's not even. I'll have to look at that. These are a mix of turkey poults. All right. These guys have already had a little bit of a snack. They've already found the water. They're doing well. And it's a little chilly right now, so they're trying to stay warm. But yeah, I've never seen the little dark ones like this one. And I thought that these were all going to be, oh, what do you call them? The kind that, like, I think those are broad-breasted bronze, those one right there. But I think this is a heritage bird, so I don't think that the little dark ones are heritage. We'll have to find out. But I'm going to get this lid back on and get the heat back on because it is chilly outside today. All right. My next thing I've got to get done is take care of these poor pea plants. I still do not have the ground ready for them to go outside, so I'm going to pot them up. Definitely pot these up and these up. And I may get started on some of these. Like this one has 4 plants inside one little place. Some of them do that. And so I may get, and all I'm going to do is a little red solo cup things. And I may get to at least a few of these. And maybe they can have a little better chance to get some more size. But I definitely got to get started on these. I was going to do it outside. It says it's supposed to be in the 70s today, and I even wore shorts. But that breeze is just a little chilly. And actually, my peas probably were not up for that much wind too. So I'll just do it inside and clean up my mess. Well, that's not the perfect thing to have set the cups in. I'll have to figure out something else. I don't have any other trays. I don't believe. I can go look, but this is better than nothing, I guess. I had a mess. I don't think I caught it on camera. My sweet potatoes up there, I wiggled this thing, and of course it's just little wires, and my big one flipped over and dumped water everywhere, so I had kind of a mess. But I think in general I kept the mess to a minimum to the best of my ability. So yeah, the peas are transferred or potted up. And I got a few of the little San Marzanos. Those poor things are so little, though. I probably should wait a little longer before I pot up some more of those. But at least things are getting filled up. I mean, that's not real filled. You see people on other videos, they got all the shelves are all filled. But oh well. So it has begun. The new season with birds has begun, and a little bit of planting and stuff too. So if you like this kind of thing, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and share this with some other people who might need a little bit of encouragement to know that even though you might be getting a little bit older or whatever's going on in your life, that you can still get up every morning, find something to do, and take charge of your own life, and not have to rely on somebody else to be a part to provide for your security, and specifically food security. So, and you know me, as I always say, guys, live until you die. Live. This is all we've got, and we've got to love it. We've got to live it. We've got to be in it. We've got to be in the moment. We've got to enjoy ourselves. God bless. See you next time.